Hey guys, this is Sam and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and today's topic is how to paint winter scenery for beginners. So please make sure you watch this video till the very end and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So the answer to the last video's shoutout question is the man was bald. There'll be no shoutout today since no one answered last video's question, but I hope I get some answers today. So yep, let's get into the video. So for this painting, you have to create a gradient effect on your paper or canvas using black color, light blue color, pink and white. Now with the help of black paint and a paintbrush obviously, you have to paint distant trees. Now with the help of an artist knife, I'm using a spoon here and a warning, please don't use spoon. This can not bring that good result to your painting. So yeah, use dark blue color and a little bit of black and white to bring out this color and paint the ground. Now with the help of a paintbrush or an artist knife and white color, paint the slopes. Now with the help of some white color, add the highlights to the slopes. And with the help of dark blue color, just give it a touch and add some depth to the slopes. Now with the help of a sponge and light blue color, add this kind of effect on the sky. Now for this you need two brushes. For this, take one brush which is clean and dry and take another brush which is with white color and sprinkle the dots of white color paint like this on the sky part so that it will give an effect of tiny stars on the sky. If in any place big dots fall off, you can make them as the snowfall or meteoroids. So today's fun section coming up. Did you know there is a species of tigers known as the golden tiger, and the sad part is that there are only 30 golden tigers left out in the whole world. I think the government of all the countries and even the animal organization should do something to save these rare tigers. Do you think that same? Comment down below. Now, coming back to the video, take burnt sienna color and a medium size paint brush and paint pentagon shape. Now with the help of burnt sienna color and a teeny tiny amount of black paint, paint it as follows. Now with the help of white color paint, draw the roof of the hut or house. And with the help of light blue color or dark blue color, add the highlights to the roof. Better you guys use light blue color. And with the help of golden yellow or medium yellow color, paint it as follows. Now with the help of black paint, paint it as I'm doing. Now take burnt sienna color and paint the chimney, a little kind of house thing on the roof, and the door of the hut. Now with the help of white color, add the highlights of the lighting in the window and paint the roof again. Also add the light blue or dark blue color for the highlights. Now take white color paint and paint the snow under the windows. Now with the help of burnt sienna, paint the frame of the windows. Then with the help of white paint, paint the snow on the door and the chimney. Now with the help of black color paint, draw the Christmas tree. Now with the help of dark green color paint or greenery color paint, draw the highlights of the Christmas tree. With the help of white color paint and a thin sized brush, paint the snow of the Christmas tree. Actually, I was planning to post this video on Christmas Day, but unfortunately due to some technical issues I was unable to post this video. So please never mind. Now with the colors of your choice, paint and decorate your Christmas tree with your creativity. I have taken here medium yellow, light green, red, pink, purple and dark blue and orange. out question. The correct answer will be shout outed in the next video. So the question is, in a bank, a thief enters for robbery. He threatens the lady manager to open the locker of the bank. The lady said, the code of the locker is different every day. If you hurt me, you won't get the code. But the thief managed to get the code. How is it possible? Comment your answer for a shout out in my next video. Now take white color paint and add highlights to the slopes. As you can see, the slopes seem so dull. I have taken white color here. If your slopes are looking nice and pretty, you don't have to add highlights again. Now with the help of burnt sienna color, add fence near the home. Now with the help of light blue color, add the smoke of the chimney and untape the borders of the painting. So this is the end result of the painting. So I hope you enjoyed today's beginner's winter scenery tutorial. Even actually I am a beginner for acrylic painting, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon too to get the latest notifications whenever I upload a new video. And if I can do any improvements or any challenge suggestions, please let me know that in the comment section below. And what was your favorite feature from this painting? Please let me know that too in the comments. My favorite feature was this home. It looks so realistic according to me. And yeah, see you up in the next video with some marvelous things ahead. So yep, happy creating, and if you have tried this video, please let me know that in the comments. Peace, signing out, bye bye. Wait, before leaving this video, please subscribe to my channel and watch this video too. Have a great day.